and welcome back to my channel. I'm Żaneta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. Today's video is not only about Christmas, but also about food. We visited Hsinchu and Miaoli cities to see their Christmas decorations. It isn't much, but better this than nothing, right? We went to Zubej city to see the Christmas market and waited for the tree to light up. Surprisingly, there was one store selling Polish cosmetics. Some Christmas carols were also sung. Afterwards, we went to big city shopping mall. We had been here during the daytime, but of course, there is no better time to see Christmas trees than after dark. Each year, the decorations here are fairly similar, if not the same. So if you have been here before, there is nothing new to see this year. The same goes for the Sogo shopping mall. Another time, we went to Miaoli to find some yummy food at the night market and visited the library and city hall. There wasn't much light at the library, but City Hall was quite pretty. There were nearly nobody, maybe due to the weather, as a cold front just came today, and from 27 degrees Celsius, it became 12 with strong wind, and it will drop down to less than 10 degrees Celsius by the end of the week. Even though I'm Polish, but cold weather in Taiwan scares me. Why is there no heating at home? Moving on to the food topic. We tried 5 different foods at the night market. Starting from the beginning, right at the entrance, there is a barbecue shop. The taste is fairly nice. It reminds me of what we used to eat in Thailand, but there is still something missing in the taste. Probably peanut powder. I'm not sure, but I recommend trying this one. We tried this dongshan yato, which translates to dongshan duck head. But don't worry, there is more than just heads to choose from. It was not bad, but also not the best one we have ever eaten. We also bought Hsinchu, which is salty water chicken. But it was never my cup of tea, as it's not very flavorful. I prefer strongly flavored food, especially spicy, with a lot of spice. Deep-fried egg pancake was nice, but due to the cold, it cools down quickly and can have an oily taste, so you need to finish it quickly. The weather makes me feel annoyed, as I love hot food, but it just cools within seconds. At the other entrance, there is barbecue corn, which is also very tasty. That was all the food we tried today, and an end of today's video. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have food recommendation in Hsinchu and Miaoli, or maybe other places, welcome to leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye!